Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Gemini to your Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Gemini account set up and verified, and your Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Open the Gemini app or head to their website on your computer. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Tether, USDT, in that list. Once you've selected USDT, look for the Withdraw or Send button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Open it, go to your USDT wallet, and tap on the Receive button to copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Back on Gemini, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. Gemini typically uses the Ethereum network for USDT, so select ERC20 if prompted. Before you confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter the code from your Authenticator app. Hit the Confirm button, and Gemini will process your withdrawal. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see if the USDT has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully moved your Tether. A quick tip: always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. Crypto transactions are final, so stay vigilant. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.